With some speculation that he may not endorse her. And boy, they were scrambling because he is so important to the party. He raises a lot of money. If nothing else, the amount of money that Barack Obama can raise, he raised millions of dollars for Joe Biden in their last joint appearance in Los Angeles. So if nothing else, they're fundraising.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, stuff on our country.
Well, it's not going to make sense to us because we don't care for Barack Obama. We know what he did to our country. We know what he wants to do. So no, it's not going to make sense to you and me, Keith. But evidently it makes sense to a lot of Democrats because he's still a rock star within Democrat circles. If you need to raise money, as Joe Biden needed to, all you need is Barack Obama to show up. All you need is Michelle Obama to show up, like it or not. The Obamas are still very influential people within Democrat circles, and those who lean left, the liberals of our country. He's still the figurehead. He's still considered the party leader among Democrats. 800-655-MIKE, 1-800-655-6453. Hope you'll join the conversation. Joey Hudson in from Lake Gallup.
Drug-free daily supplement that helps your body fight pain naturally. That's what I love so much about being a Relief Factor customer. With my lower back pain that I used to have, I didn't want any kind of prescription way to try to get out of pain. I know how dangerous that can be. Well, Relief Factor was developed by doctors and uses a unique formula of natural ingredients. It doesn't just mask the pain, it helps reduce or even eliminate it. Wherever you're hurting, back, neck, joints, muscle pain, in 3 weeks or less, if you're like me, you'll start to feel the difference all day, every day. I love seeing the guy on TV that says, I told my wife, you don't understand, that pain is gone. Relief Factor can help you feel good again. Let's see if we can get you out of pain. Go to relieffactor.com, relieffactor.com, or call 1-800-4-RELIEF. 800-4-RELIEF. Relief Factor. I want you to fight pain naturally, like I do, with
If something's worth doing, it's worth doing right. There's a particular time of life this phrase couldn't be more appropriate. How can you know you'll live the retirement you've always imagined? After all, life can be so unpredictable. You've worked hard and saved, watched your accounts go up and down with the market. Your advisor says, don't worry, you'll be fine. But you still don't feel confident. Eric Heckman at Heckman Financial has a checklist to help you find out if you're on the right track for retirement. Take his checklist challenge. If you can check all the boxes with confidence, you may be ready for retirement. If not, Eric can help you address any potential costly mistakes. To get Eric Heckman at Heckman Financial's complimentary checklist, call or text LIST to 800-454-1184. See if you've got it right. Take the checklist challenge today. Call or text LIST to 800-454-1184. Firm offers insurance services. Investment advisory services offered through Heckman Financial Insurance Services, Inc. Investing involves risk, including the potential loss of principal.
This is Carol Platt-Lebow for com.hovans.autoguard. There are two things that unite Democrats and Republicans on Capitol Hill these days. But they do agree on one thing. Secret Service Director Kimberly Cheadle had to go. Florida Congressman Mike Waltz called the testimony from Cheadle the worst testimony he's seen in his time in Congress. Cheadle's smug arrogance was a complete affront to the Americans our government officials are supposed to be serving. Even before Cheadle's appearance before the House Oversight Committee, it was clear she wasn't up to the job. After a colossal failure like we saw in the assassination attempt on Trump, our leaders in a different era would have willingly and contritely resigned. Failure used to be recognized as a breach of public trust, warranting the ultimate penalty. Pressure on Cheadle to resign came from both sides of the aisle. She was really forced out. Our Secret Service needs new and capable leadership focused on protecting leaders, not protecting their own careers.
Ricky Henderson was a baller. Frank Robinson was a baller. Joe Morgan, Dave Stewart, Reggie Jackson. Baller, baller, baller. Baseball legends with roots in Oakland. Now, a new era of Oakland baseball begins.
with Bank of America, you'll not just stay ahead of the curve, you'll move it. With access to experts, award-winning insights, and business solutions so powerful, you'll make every move matter, locally and globally. Visit bankofamerica.com/banking for business to learn more. What would you like the power to do? Copyright 2024 Bank of America NA.
Stop the Sherwin-Williams July Summer Sale and get 35% off paints and stains from July 26th through August 5th. Prices starting at $31.84. It's the perfect time to transform your space with color. Whether you're looking to revamp your bedroom, living room, or home office, we have you covered with bold hues, soothing neutrals, and everything in between. Shop the sale online or visit your neighborhood Sherwin-Williams store. Retail sales only. Some exclusions apply. See store for details.
With SRN News, I'm Bob Agnew in Washington. The U.S. is among the countries questioning the claims of victory by Venezuelan President Nicolas Maduro. U.S. Secretary of State Anthony Blinken said the U.S. has serious concerns about whether the alleged vote tally really is true and lines up with the votes and the values of the Venezuelan people. Germany, Britain, and the Netherlands among the countries now calling on their citizens to leave Lebanon immediately. Expectations are growing that there will be a major Israeli strike on the country in response to a rocket attack that killed 12 children over the weekend in the Golan Heights. Fire crews are hopeful that cooler, more humid weather will help them get a better handle on the park fire in Northern California. It's the biggest one burning there, and as of yesterday, it had already charred enough acreage to cover all of Los Angeles. More of these stories at srnews.com.
The Mike Gallagher Show at 8:60 a.m. The Answer.
The Mike Gallagher Show.
She knew about Biden's condition this whole time because she's been vice president. She claims she works closely with him. Jesse, just me as a governor, I've been dealing with Biden on different events that have happened since he's been president. He's come down to Florida after hurricanes, and I could tell that he wasn't all there, and it's gotten a lot worse.
In the ReliefFactor.com studios, here's Mike.
Joey Hudson in for Mike. Portions of today's show brought to you by My Pillow. Have an all-new mattress topper, and boy, are you going to love it. If you're looking to potentially buy a new bed, let me suggest that you go to MyPillow.com first and check out Mike Lindell's new mattress topper because it'll save you a lot of money. Starting at $69.98 when you use promo code MikeG, this new MyPillow mattress topper is amazing. You won't have to go buy a whole new bed. Just get the mattress topper, and you'll get the best night's sleep you've ever had. It starts with the famous MyPillow foam. I happened to see Mike Lindell at the Republican National Convention a couple of weeks ago, and he was very excited telling me about the technology of this. And this man, what I love about My Pillow, he has the best pillow on the market. And when you use promo code MikeG, you'll get a good deal on those as well. But he's always looking to improve his product and come up with new ones. And this My Pillow, the foam pillow mattress topper, is just amazing, and he's done it again. He starts with the...
I hate this client so much. Hate this client. So impatient. So fucking... Oh, yeah. Don't fucking call. Damn, you don't... Oh, great. Fucking asshole, I bet. That's... You know who. What the fuck are you looking at? Such an ugly person out there, too. So ugly. I don't know who that guy is, but he is ugly.